Hi, today I'm here with me Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just hold for a while our device home screen and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click on this icon and after that we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, when you'll just click on this drop down, you'll see that the calendar application has 4 different types of the widgets which we can add to our home screen. We can use, for example, the list, the shadow. Just to add the widget, we should tap here to add or just to hold it and drag it to your home screen. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it for a while and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, just hold it for a while and then just drag it. Also, let's just move it, for example, to the left side or to the right side of the screen, and by this way we can create new screens. If you want to remove it from your home screen, just hold it and then tap here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.